A rumor started in the office, and within one day, everyone was talking about it. But the problem is, it wasn't true. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. Today's story is about Anna, an employee who became the center of an office rumor, and how she handled it. Let's begin. Anna had been working in the company for over a year. She was known for being professional and focused. She did her work well. She didn't get involved in unnecessary conversations. Everything was normal. Until one morning. As Anna walked into the office, she noticed something strange. People were looking at her differently. Some were whispering. Others stopped talking when she walked by. Anna felt confused. "What's going on?" she thought. Later that day, her colleague approached her quietly. "Hey, have you heard?" he asked. "What?" Anna replied. "There's a rumor going around," he said. "People think you're leaving the company." Anna was shocked. "Leaving? That's not true," she said immediately. But the rumor had already spread. Some people believed it. Some started asking questions. Anna felt uncomfortable. She had done nothing wrong, but now her reputation was affected. For a moment, she considered ignoring it. Maybe it will go away, she thought. But as the day continued, the situation didn't improve. More people started talking. The rumor was growing. Anna realized something important. If she stayed silent, people would believe the story. So she decided to take action. First, she spoke to her manager. "I've heard there's a rumor about me leaving the company," she said. "I want to clarify that this is not true." Her manager listened carefully. "I understand," he said. "Let's communicate this clearly to the team." Later that day, during a team meeting, the manager addressed the situation. "I'd like to clarify something," he said. "There is no plan for Anna to leave the company." The room became quiet. Anna felt relieved, but she didn't stop there. After the meeting, she spoke directly with a few colleagues. "I just want to clarify," she said. "I'm not leaving. That information is incorrect." Her tone was calm and professional. Slowly, the situation changed. People understood the truth. The rumors disappeared. A few days later, everything returned to normal. From that experience, Anna learned something important. Rumors can spread quickly, but clear communication can stop them. Now that you've heard the story, let's go through some useful business English words and phrases, along with practical examples you can use in real situations. First, let's look at the word rumor, which refers to information that spreads quickly but may not be true. For example, you might say, "There is a rumor that the company will change its policy." Or, in real life, "Don't believe every rumor you hear." Next, we have the word clarify, which means to make something clear or easy to understand. In real situations, you might say, "I'd like to clarify the situation," or "She clarified the misunderstanding during the meeting." Moving on, we come to the word reputation, which refers to how people see or think about you. For example, "He has a good reputation at work," or "Rumors can damage your reputation." Another important term is misunderstanding, which means a situation where people do not understand something correctly. In real life, you might say, "This was just a misunderstanding," or "We need to avoid misunderstandings in communication." We also have the phrase spread quickly, which means something moves fast from one person to another. For example, "News spreads quickly in the office," or "The rumor spread quickly among the team." Finally, let's look at the phrase take action, which means to do something to solve a problem. In real situations, you might say, "We need to take action before the problem gets worse," or "She took action to protect her reputation." As you can see, these expressions are extremely useful in real workplace situations, especially when dealing with communication and reputation. So, what can we learn from this story? Not everything you hear is true, but silence can make things worse. If you communicate clearly, stay professional, and take action at the right time, you can protect your reputation and solve the problem. If you want to improve your business English through real-life situations, stories like this can help you both in language and in communication skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more stories. See you in the next video.